Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Phonics Academia online class. Today we will study grade 6 unit number 1 introduction of a set. So now students open your book page number 3. So we discuss about the short introduction of a set. In this chapter we have discussion about the set, types of set, descriptive objects, elements, sign and related things. In this unit we help to be discussed. So let me start. What is a set? A set is a collection of well-defined objects in which a set is to be a given, in which have all set is related to each other and irrelevant set is not be given. In which a related and related set is a related member is to be a given into a set and not a related member is to be a present is known as the well-defined object. Then second is restricted object. That some members of a set is different to each other is known as the restricted object. Next is to be a types of a set: finite set, infinite set, unit set, and empty set. Firstly, we discuss about that what is mean by finite set, in which a set that have a limit is to be defined. For example, a set is to be a given 1, 2, 3, and the last number is to be a 20. The last limit of this set is 20. So if a set having explained its limit is known as a infinite set. But that a set is not explain its limit. For example, the number is start from 0 and to be a continue and not to mention its limit is known as the infinite set. Finite set define its limit. Infinite set is not define its limit. Unit set. Unit set is a set in which only one member is present. One member may be 1, 2, 3, but only one member is present is known as a unit set. And a set if have no any member, in which a set is no any member and a empty bracket is known as a empty set. So there are the four basic types to be a discussion: finite, infinite, unit, and empty. Next term is elements. What is the elements? The member of a set. The member of a set is known as elements. There are two signs is used in this chapter. First is belong. It means belong to set. For example, set of a fruit. The number is to be a given. The name is to be a given: apple, mango, orange, banana. So if I have a apple, banana, orange, mango, it's a fruit set. Or it's to be explained that they are member of fruit set. So it's to be have to say that apple is belong to fruit set, mango is belong to fruit set. But in to be a have a, for example, in a fruit is a onion, carrot. So it's a vegetables, not a fruit. So it's say that onion and carrot is not belong to a fruit set. If this sign is used to belong to set, and this sign is used to not belong to set. Next is to be a notation. What is a notation? When your set is written into a different form is known as a notation. It's have three notation: descriptive notation, tabulated notation, and set builder notation. Descriptive notation: a set of a vowel in English alphabet. Not be given the name. They only say that the set of vowel alphabet. Though this is called a descriptive notation. But they have been given in bracket. For example, A, E, I, O, U. They are known as the vowel of English alphabet. But they have also explained its member is known as a tuple notation. So next is to be a set builder notation. That has been represented as bracket X ratio X is a vowel alphabet. This form is when being written is known as a set builder notation. Third thing is a universal set. Universal set is a set in which all members of other sets is to be a present. Universal set is a set in which all member of the other set is present. For example, set A is equal to March, April, set L is equal to May, June. But set U also have March, April, May, June or the name of the month. So these are known as universal set because that you have all member of J and L. So these are called So it's our short introduction of your chapter. So revise your lesson, prepare your copy. Tomorrow we have start your exercise. Revise your lesson, complete your homework. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.